Hi everyone and welcome to Germany for Student channel. Today is lesson number 37 of A2 level of German language course and today's topic is Deshalb. What is the use of Deshalb? What does it mean? And what is the sentence structure? We will see all of these with the help of examples to understand the use of Deshalb in German language. So let's start the lesson. In order to understand the use of Deshalb, I have taken two examples. The first sentence is Das Wetter ist schlecht. The weather is bad. Wir bleiben zu Hause. We stay at home. Das Wetter ist schlecht is a hauptsatz and also wir bleiben zu Hause is hauptsatz. Now in order to combine these two hauptsatz we can use deshalb because there is a certain relationship between these two sentences. Das Wetter ist schlecht, the weather is bad. Wir bleiben zu Hause, and the outcome of this is that, or the reason of staying at home is that the weather is bad. Now, if we want to combine these two sentences with deshalb, then the sentence structure of first Hauptsatz will be subject will come at first position, at second position we will use verb and we will conjugate it according to subject of Hauptsatz, then comes object. The second Hauptsatz will start with deshalb. Soon after deshalb, we have to use verb. After that, we will use subject of the sentence, and the last position is for the object of the sentence. Now let's connect both sentences with the help of deshalb. Das Wetter ist schlecht. The weather is bad. Deshalb bleiben wir zu Hause. Therefore, we stay at home. Now, if you look at the sentence structure, das Wetter is coming at first position. Ist is the sein verb's conjugation for third person singular. So it becomes ist, and then we are using an adjective schlecht, which means bad. After that, we can put a comma or we can also use a full stop. If we want to use full stop, then the next Hauptsatz will start with D capital, deshalb, but the sentence structure will remain same, which means soon after deshalb, we have to use the verb and we have to conjugate it according to the subject of second Hauptsatz. The subject of second Hauptsatz is wir and it is used at third position. So verb will come at second position and it has to be conjugated according to the subject that comes soon after verb. And the last position is for object or preposition or adjective. Es regnet heute, it's raining today. Sie fährt mit der Straßenbahn. She travels with the tram. Now, these two sentences can also be combined with the help of deshalb because there is a certain relationship between these two sentences. In first sentence, we are giving a reason why she is traveling with the tram. As regnet heute, today it's raining, deshalb fährt sie mit der Straßenbahn, therefore she travels with the tram. Another example, Paul will fit bleiben. Paul wants to remain fit. Er fährt immer Fahrrad. He always rides a bike. Now, there is also a relationship between these two sentences, and this relationship can be described with the help of deshalb. Paul will fit bleiben. Paul wants to remain fit. Deshalb fährt er immer Fahrrad. Therefore, he always rides a bike. Let's have some other examples. Er hat den Zug verpasst. He has missed the train. Deshalb ist er zu spät gekommen. Therefore, he has come too late. Now, in this sentence, the first Hauptsatz, er hat den Zug verpasst. This is participle zwei or perfect tense in German language. And in this case, we have to use sein or haben verb at second position and we have to conjugate it according to subject of sentence. So if we want to use verb verpassen, then we have to use haben verb and we conjugate it according to subject er, so it becomes hat. Er hat den Zug. Den Zug is the object of sentence. Object of sentence is accusative. Therefore, we have to use definite article for a masculine noun Zug from accusative case, which is den. Verpasst is participle zwei form of verpassen, which means to miss. After that, we put a comma and we give a space and we start the second hauptsatz with deshalb. And soon after that, we use the conjugated verb. In this case, the conjugated verb is sein, which is conjugated according to subject er, and it becomes ist. Zu spät gekommen. Gekommen is participle zwei form of common verb, and we know that whenever we use common verb in perfect tense, we have to use sein verb and we have to conjugate it according to the subject of sentence. He has missed the train, therefore he has come too late. Another example, sie braucht dringend Hilfe. She needs immediate help. Deshalb hat sie mich angerufen. Therefore, she has called me. First Hauptsatz is in present form and the second Hauptsatz is in perfect form. Therefore, we have to adjust the sentence structure accordingly. Sie braucht dringend Hilfe. Here we have used subject at first position, verb at second position, which is conjugated according to sie. Dringend means immediate and Hilfe means help. We put a comma and give a space and start the second Hauptsatz with deshalb, and soon after that we use haben and it has to be conjugated according to subject sie, which is at third place in the second Hauptsatz. So hat sie, then comes object which is mich, and angerufen is the participle zwei form of anrufen. Lisa ist sehr vorsichtig. Lisa ist very careful. Deshalb fährt sie immer mit einem Helm. Therefore, she always travel with a helmet. Now, again, if we look at the second Hauptsatz, we start it with the deshalb, and after that we use verb, which is conjugated according to subject at the third position. Subject is sie, so fahren becomes fährt, and after that we have used immer mit einem Helm. Another example, unsere Autoversicherung ist zu teuer. Our vehicle insurance is too expensive, or our car insurance is too expensive. Zu teuer means too expensive. Then we put a comma and give a space. Deshalb müssen wir die Versicherung wechseln. Therefore, we must change our insurance. Now, deshalb is used at the first position, and in the second Hauptsatz, we are using a modal verb. Whenever we use modal verb, then we have to put modal verb after deshalb and we have to conjugate it according to subject that comes at third position. So wir is the subject and müssen remains müssen for the subject wir, and then comes object which is die Versicherung, and wechseln is the main verb that comes at the last position of sentence in infinitive form. Another example, ich will Deutsch lernen. I want to learn German. Deshalb gehe ich in die Sprachschule. Therefore, I go to the language school. Ich will Deutsch lernen. This is a normal sentence with modal verb, in which modal verb will come at second position and will be conjugated according to subject. Then comes object, and the main verb remains at the last position of the sentence. So lernen remains lernen. Then we put a comma and give a space. Then we start the second Hauptsatz with deshalb. And soon after deshalb, we have to use main verb of the sentence, which is gehen. But the subject in the second Hauptsatz is ich, so gehen becomes gehe. In die Sprachschule, in the language school. So this was the use of Deshalb. We have seen the sentence structure and we have learned the use of Deshalb with the help of examples. I hope it is clear to you now. If you have any questions, put them in the comment. Thank you. Bye.